Okay, so I did a day of filming behind the scenes, so now I'm gonna do a day of regular life behind the scenes. And at home, whoa, there's a lot more toys. There's a broken blind I'm trying to fix right now. There, I got it. That's better. There's some doll clothes in my bathtub. There's a cat right here. It's like just before 7 a.m. and I've already been up, had some coffee and meditated. Now I'm waking the kids up for school and I need to get in the shower and get dressed and be ready for a concert at a local school by 9:30, but first I have to get my kids to school. Let's go. Gratuitous rainbow socks shot and my favorite earrings. You're on video.
Hello.
Where are the kids?
Car.
Should I take them to school?
Probably.
Okay. See you at the school?
See you at the school.
How you feeling?
Ready to rock, baby.
Yeah, but really, how are you feeling? The kids are at school. Now I shall treat myself to a luxurious breakfast in my car and then drive over to the assembly. Here are a few things you might like to know about my car breakfast. First, I eat the same thing every single day. This is not diet advice. This is just what I happen to eat every single day. I eat 1 egg and vegetables. Sometimes I add a piece of toast if I'm feeling a little frisky. Another thing to know about my breakfast is that Jeff makes it for me every single morning. Thanks, honey. And a third thing you might like to know about my breakfast is if I don't have time to eat it at home, which I often don't when I take the kids to school, is that the kids complain that it smells because, you know, the egg and the vegetables. So I'm gonna enjoy this quiet moment alone before the rest of the day starts. See you soon. Okay, it's 8:40. I'm arriving at the school. Wait a second, where's Jeff? You're wondering. Well, on mornings like this, when we need to get our kids to school and we have an early morning assembly, he comes early in a separate car and sets everything up. Thank goodness for that. I wouldn't do well with that. Meaning, it's just not my area of genius to lug gear over and over and over again through weird, narrow hallways of random schools, which is totally a part of this job description. So thank you, Jeff, for that. I'm going in, won't get to hear too much from me in the school because I need to protect privacy, but I'm about to perform with my dear husband for about, 300 elementary school students. See you soon. Okay, you can hear some people chatting in the background. We're all set up for the assembly, but twist. We were just about to sound check, we were just about to get everything locked in. The kids are supposed to be here in 20 minutes and Jeff realized he forgot our microphones. Actually kind of a big deal, but he's decided to take the car and run back to our house and come back again. I'll keep you posted, and most of all, I hope he's being safe. As he was leaving, I yelled, "Hey, it's just a microphone, it's just an assembly, be safe." So there's a little perspective for all of us as we navigate things that can be extremely anxiety-provoking. The most important thing is remembering that we're just spinning on a tiny rock through space and time, and it's not always such a big deal. Okay, see you soon.
Hey, am I scheduled for the next assembly?
Yeah, we've got you on the books, Coyote Bob.
Are there going to be staffing cuts for 2026? What about my benefits?
You can hear the joyful sounds of children departing from the assembly, and you can see I'm wearing a microphone and I'm all sweaty. So that's all signs of an excellent show. It all worked out. Now, we're gonna clean up, we're gonna haul out, we're gonna head to the next part of our day. Bye.
How'd you do there, Coyote Bob?
I'm really hot. Really?
Do you want to reveal your identity? or should I turn this camera off? I should turn the camera off.
No,
No,
reveal.
we can't. No, don't do